Call out. Call out means to shout or announce something loudly. Example: she called out his name from across the room. Clear out. Clear out means to remove unwanted things from a place. Example: they cleared out the garage to make space for the new car. Burn out. Burn out means to become very tired or exhausted. Example: he burned out after working too many long hours. Walk out. Walk out means to leave a place suddenly and angrily. Example: she walked out of the meeting after the argument. Spread out. Spread out means to move apart so as to cover a larger area. Example: the picnic blankets were spread out across the lawn. Splash out. Splash out means to spend a lot of money on something. Example: they splashed out on a luxury vacation. Freak out. Freak out means to react very strongly to something, often with fear or excitement. Example: she freaked out when she saw the spider. Pass out. Pass out means to lose consciousness. Example: he passed out from the heat. Wear out. Wear out means to become unusable due to overuse. Example: her shoes wore out after years of daily use. Put out. Put out means to extinguish a fire or light. Example: they put out the campfire before leaving. Fill out. Fill out means to complete a form by providing information. Example: please fill out this application form. Break out. Break out means to escape from a place. Example: the prisoners managed to break out of the jail. Dry out. Dry out means to become dry. Example: the clothes dried out in the sun. Pig out. Pig out means to eat a lot of food in a greedy manner. Example: they pigged out on pizza during the party. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.